Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today we'll be cooking another amazing and interesting recipe, that is burnt garlic fried rice. This is one of the most loved recipes in my place and I cook it very often. Whenever my friends and guests come to our place, they demand that burnt garlic fried rice has to be cooked. So let's try this recipe. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1.5 cups of basmati rice that I have boiled, 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped garlic, 1 medium carrot finely chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 medium capsicum finely chopped, and 1/4 cup chopped beans, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 2 to 3 spring onions chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and half to 1 teaspoon green chili sauce, that's totally optional, and 2 teaspoons of oil. So we take a karahi or a wok and we add oil to it. And then we'll put a chopped garlic. We'll saute it till it's golden brown in color, and then we'll take out 1 tablespoon for garnishing. So now the garlic is golden brown, so we'll take out 1 tablespoon for the final garnish. And we'll keep it aside. Then we're gonna add onions. And spring onion white. We'll reserve the spring onion green for the garnish. This recipe is very easy and very quick to make, just because we have to keep the vegetables crunchy, and we'll be adding them up very quickly. Next, we're going to add beans. Saute it for a minute. Next, we'll be adding carrots. Just mix it nicely. And one more thing, like one tip, Chinese is always cooked on high flame. So make sure the flame is high whenever you are cooking. Now we'll be adding capsicum. I really love the aroma of garlic. It's smelling amazing in here. And finally, green chilies. If you want to omit the chilies, you can do so. Just let them cook for a minute. Now we'll add salt and pepper according to taste. And finally, our sauces. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and half a teaspoon of green chili sauce. And lastly, we'll be adding boiled rice to it. Just give it a good mix. So after mixing them nicely, we'll just cover it for a minute and then they'll be ready to eat. So let's check on the rice. Wow, so beautiful, and it's smelling amazing. They are done. We'll put off the gas and they're ready to plate. So I've taken out rice in a bowl and I'll be garnishing it with the reserved garlic. And spring onion greens. And our burnt garlic fried rice are ready to eat. Our burnt garlic fried rice are ready to eat. I'm sure you all will definitely like this. Please try this recipe at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.